A very good morning to all my dear students. So as we have already started area, the topic area. Okay, so we have completed a few sums of exercise 10.3. Now we will be doing the next few sums. Okay, so let's just see in seventh sum. The seventh sum is length of a floor is 4 meter. Its breadth is 3 meter 50 centimeter. Okay, and it has to be covered with a carpet. एक कारपेट से उसे पूरा कवर करना है. सो हाउ मच कारपेट इज नीडेड टू कवर द फ्लोर? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. सो L is 4 meter, B is given in meter and centimeter. So just convert it in meter. It will be 3.50 meters. Okay, length will be 4 meter and breadth will be 3.50 meters. So the area will come as L into B. Okay, so area will be L into B. Just multiply them and it will be 4 into 3.50 and it will give you 14 meters square. Okay, so the area is 14 meters square of the floor. That means if you want to cover the full floor of the room, 14 meters square carpet is needed. So this is question number 7. Now we'll see question number 8. In question number 8, it is given that the floor is rectangular in shape, whose length is 5 meter and breadth is 4 meter. And a square carpet is used to cover that floor. और जो square carpet है उसकी side है 3 meter. But since this is a rectangle and this is a square, when you will cover this rectangular floor with this, some area will be uncovered. How much area is uncovered, that you have to calculate. So for that, first of all, we will calculate the area of rectangular floor, which is L into B. So 20 meter square. So this is the area of floor. Now area of square carpet. Since this is a square carpet, you know the formula is side into side, and the square carpet's side is 3 meters. So 3 3 is 9. That means जो आपने carpet बिछाई है फर्श के ऊपर, that is only 9 meter square. But the complete floor's area is 20 meter square. So how much area is uncovered or not carpeted? The complete area 20 minus area of carpet, which is 9. So 20 minus 9, which is 11 meter square. Okay, so 11 meter square is the area which is not carpeted. Now we'll see the next question. So now we are doing question number 9. Question number 9 mein it is given that the square flower beds are there and total 5. Okay, 5 square flower beds are to be made. Okay, जो फूलों की क्यारियाँ होती हैं, those are to be made in the form of square, जिसकी side है 1 meter. So first of all, calculate the area. Area will be side square, or you can say side square is nothing but side into side. Okay, so don't get confused with this. Side into side, so 1 into 1 will give you 1 meter square. So this is the area of one flower bed. So total आपके पास 5 flower beds you have to make. So 5 into 1 will be 5 meter square. और जो land है on which you are making the flower beds, it is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. That means 5 meter is the L and 4 meter is the B. Okay, and you know area is L into B. Okay, so L into B, which will be 5 into 4, which will be 20 meter square. Now for making the flower beds, 5 flower beds, you need 5 meter square area, and for this you need 20. So what is the remaining part of the land? मतलब जिस पे flower beds नहीं है वो area कितना होगा आपका? Again you have to subtract 20 minus 5, so it will be 15 meter square. Understood? I hope all of you are getting it. Okay, so एक rectangular land है. Okay, on this you have to make 1 2 3 4 and 5, suppose 5 flower beds. तो ये जो remaining area है, this you have to calculate, and it has come as 15 meter square. So this is the question. Now question number 10 is very simple. Today we have to complete the exercise. So question number 10 we will see. One figure is given to you and you have to split the figure in squares and rectangles, and then you have to find out the area. Now you can see this is a figure. Now you don't have a formula for this kind of figure. So what you have to do, you have to use the ruler and you have to make different squares and rectangles out of it, and then you have to find. So you can see I have made over here one line and I've extended this. Now I have 1 2 3 and 4 different figures. Some are rectangles and some are squares. Okay, So you can write them, give them name region 1, region 2, region 3, region 4. So इन चारों का एरिया आप सेपरेटली निकालेंगे and then you will add all the 4 areas and this way you will get the area of the complete figure. So the first region, this one is a square because ये complete length 4 है, इसमें से 1 यहाँ पे निकल गई, so this much is 3. So this is a square, its area will be 3 into 3, 9 centimeters square. Similarly, this is second one. Second one में this is length 2 meter and this is width 1 meter. So this is a rectangle and rectangle's area is L into B, so 2 into 1, okay, which is 2 centimeter square. Similarly, the third one is also a square, okay, because this is 3 and this is also 3, okay, so 3 into 3 will be 9 centimeters square. Then the fourth one is a rectangle जिसकी length is 4 and width is 2. So 4 2s are 8. It is 8 centimeters square. So all the 3 regions area you have calculated. Now just add them. So the total area of the figure will be 9 plus 2 plus 9 plus 8, which will give you 28 centimeters square. Okay. So I hope all of you have understood the figure. So the remaining parts of this question you have to do by your own, and 11th question is also same, but still I have done one sum for you, so you can just have a look. So in 11th question the figures are more simpler than 10th one, so this is a plus, you can say, sign. So there are total 5 squares, 1 2 3 4 and 5, okay, and since this is 7, so all the dimensions are same. तो ये जो अंदर वाला square है इसकी dimension भी 7 and 7 है. So there are 5 squares and each side is 7 centimeter. Okay, so area of one square you will calculate first, which is 7 into 7, 49 centimeter square. So this is the area of one square. Okay, only one square का area कितना है? 49 है. So what will be the area of 5 squares? Area of 5 squares will be 5 into 49, which is 245. So 245 centimeter square. Okay, so this way you have to do the remaining one part of this question also. And now we'll see the last question of the exercise, which is 12th question. Okay, 12th question में क्या है? 2 parts are there. One I have done for you. एक tile है and you have 2 different floors. So one floor is of rectangle shape whose length is 100 centimeter and width is 144 centimeter. This rectangular floor is to be tiled. इस रेक्टेंगुलर फ्लोर के ऊपर टाइल्स बिछानी है और वो जो टाइल्स हैं दोज आर ऑल्सो ऑफ द फॉर्म रेक्टेंगल whose length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. So the question is, how many tiles will be used to tile this, okay, to cover this floor? First of all, you will calculate area of both. Area of one tile is L into B, which is 12 into 5, 60 centimeter square. And area of the floor is capital L. I'm writing so that it will be different for both. So 100 into 144. So this is 14,400 centimeters square. Okay. So these two areas you have got. Now this is the area of floor and this is area of one tile. So if you want to calculate the number of tiles, then it will be area of rectangle divided by area of tile. So this is coming 240. Okay, 0 0 get cancelled. This you divide by 6. Answer will be 240. So 240 tiles are needed to floor, or you can say, or just tile the rectangular floor. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood the questions. So complete this exercise. Okay, complete till question number 12, all questions. So that's all for today. Thank you.